Y'all, my turtles ate a bird. I'm so sad. Look at the feathers in there. It's like a whole wing. And there's like little body parts of it in the bottom. Oh no. What is wrong? I don't know what all this white foamy stuff is. Like, what is wrong with y'all? Y'all not dinosaurs. Like, what are you... This is ridiculous. The poor little bird was probably trying to get water and y'all got it. Like, what? Who does that? I'm so sad about this. This is why y'all can't come outside, because y'all so disrespectful. I see you peeking out. Don't peek out. Why you eat that bird?